Described as a village of parks, Palmetto Bay is a lush residential community which boasts an idyllic location and array of public green spaces in the heart of Miami, Florida. Discover this tastefully updated home with timeless curb appeal in North Palmetto Bay, just 7 blocks from Pinecrest with easy access to US 1. Beautiful inside and out, the home is all one level with a well-designed floor plan offering generous, freshly painted open living and dining spaces, as well as a large family room. Features include a new roof, impact glass throughout, and an exceptional public school boundary that includes Howard Drive Elementary, Palmetto Middle, and Palmetto Senior High. The granite kitchen has ample white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a large pantry. The home features a total of 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, with a split plan that works well for a multi-generational family. The east wing has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. There is a private junior master suite off the family room and an extra bedroom off the foyer. Enjoy sweet dreams in the spacious master bedroom with neutral tiles which flow throughout the home. It's complete with an adjoining patio, his and her closets, and ensuite master bathroom. The oversized 17,126 square foot lot has a screened patio, fenced yard, room for a pool, and side entry 2-car garage. From its location, style, size, and amenities, this home checks all the boxes. For additional information, please contact Bridget Prio.